Okay, team, so I thought it'd be easier for me to make a recording rather than trying to put this all in an email. So according to Dave Pinkowski's email to us, we were supposed to make our to-do list or the must-do list for each of our classes, which everyone has submitted to me. I went to put them into the folders, and I realized at that point that they need all of the material as well. So I'm going to ask that everybody put their material into the folders, which I created inside of the folder that Wendy Nowak has made for everyone. This is for all the students that have failed your courses. So let me show you really quick how we do this. If you go to Schoology and then go into groups and then just kind of scroll down, you'll see this one here on the bottom. It says AHSI 2021. That one is for the high school. Just click on it. You'll see that they made us an electives folder right here. If you click on electives, there's a bunch of teachers in here. I made all of the green folders. This is for our team. JROTC, I put you guys together in yours. If you open them, they are blank inside. That's because I want you to do something similar to what I've done for my class. So if you click on my name here, these are the courses that I taught. Entrepreneurship A and B, that's semester 1 and 2. Marketing A, B, and then the two different business courses for first and second semester. And then if you just click on one of them, let's say we click right here, you'll see that I have my must-do list up here at the top, and then all of the work to be completed is on the inside of these. The student files are there. That way there during summer school, all of these students will be able to click on these files and complete the items that are in the must-do list. So I will be emailing back all of your must-dos for first and second semester. If you could please put everything into your folder. We do not have a meeting on the 19th, so I will give you guys that opportunity on Wednesday the 19th to make sure that you have everything submitted into those folders by the end of the day. It's pretty easy to do because you can just copy the course and put it into the I folder and bring it down. Thank you.